Okay, you can see this is the witch I made. Mouth works good. The eyes are wood dowels that are painted. The wart here has hairs coming out, and it's just pipe cleaner, so you can just replace it when you need to, or change it, make it longer, different color, whatever you want. The ears. This is all made out of pine. The outfit is handmade. It's cut in the back so you can get your hand in there. It's got a rubber band on here to help hold your head. The hands are wood. Has a ring lever, so it's good for either hand. You can adjust it, the string, if you want this to be up higher or lower, depending on how you want it. That is the witch. It'd be perfect for Halloween. So if you're interested, you can contact me on my Facebook page, and she'll go for $200 plus postage. If you're on my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Thank you.